Welcome back. Cyclonic storm Phailin is heading towards coastal Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. The wind is moving at a speed of 200 km per hour. The cyclone is likely to hit the states by Saturday. Indian Meteorological Department describes Phailin as severe cyclonic storm. 5 districts of both Andhra Pradesh and Odisha are preparing for the worst impact. Goa Met Director says cyclone will not affect Goa, but heavy showers are expected.
Cyclone Phailin is heading towards the coastal Odisha and Andhra Pradesh at the speed of 200 km per hour. The satellite images show that the cyclone is moving off the coast in the Bay of Bengal and is likely to hit on Saturday. Around 5 districts of both Andhra Pradesh and Odisha are likely to be affected. Defence Minister A.K. Anthony has asked the Navy and Air Force to be ready for emergency and relief operations. Army engineers and doctors are also roped in for any eventuality. Goa will not be affected by the cyclonic winds.
देखिए ये साइक्लोन जो है ईस्ट कोस्ट को हिट करेगा जो कि बे ऑफ बंगाल में बना हुआ है। इससे यहाँ पर वेस्ट कोस्ट में ऐसी कोई खतरे वाली बात नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे ये साइक्लोन थोड़ा ईस्ट कोस्ट को क्रॉस करके अंदर आएगा उसके बाद थोड़ा सा इधर क्लाउडी बढ़ सकता है और थोड़ा सा रेनफॉल की संभावना हो सकती है, लेकिन यहाँ कुछ ज़्यादा कोई घबराने की बात नहीं है इधर।
Odisha Disaster Management Minister Surya Narayan Patra informed, "We are fighting against nature. We are better prepared this time. We learned a lot from 1999. The first priority will be to save people's lives, ensure food and electricity." Around 64,000 people have been evacuated from 5 districts of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. People living in thatched houses in low-lying areas were asked to move to cyclone shelters, high-rise buildings and other safe places. With Bureau Inputs, Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
A house in Daburi was ransacked by some robbers on Thursday night. Robbers decamped with gold worth 1,63,000 rupees. House owner Bahadur Khan and family members were out of Goa when the robbers struck the house. The neighbors informed the family and called the police. Presently, police investigation is on.
8 तारीख को हुबली में गए थे हम लोग तो हम लोग आज आने वाले कल थे, तो आज हम लोग को शेजार नेबर ने हम लोग को फ़ोन करके बताया कि तुम्हारा ऊपर का डोर ओपन है। तो हम लोग अब बाद में क्या कि अभी रुके रहे, हम लोग होते रहते जल्दी इधर उधर से निकले और 9 बजे पहुँचे। 9 बजे आने के बाद पुलिस को कंप्लेंट करें, पुलिस भी आया, पंचनामा में बनाया अभी।
2 चेन हो गया, 4 कान के रिंग से 4 हाथ कान के रिंग और हाथ के रिंग 4, 2 गोल्ड चेन था बड़ा।
कितना अमाउंट पता है?
अमाउंट तो हो जाता है, सब टोटल 80 ग्राम तो हो जाते हैं।
टोटल वो अभी सुनने से अभी के रेट से हिसाब करने गए तो 2 लाख के ऊपर होता है, 2 लाख के ऊपर टोटल 80 ग्राम है।
Konkan Railway Corporation has finally decided to scrap the Skybus project. Corporation is now concentrating on upgradation of rail route in the state. KRC has decided to upgrade all railway stations in Goa along the Konkan Railway route. 3 crores will be utilized for upgradation. Doubling of routes is also under consideration.
Goa has been taken as our focus area. That all the stations we are planning improvement. Thiven, we have added retiring rooms. Now we are going to improve our circulating area. Karmali station we are adding 2 lines. The work is going on. We are eliminating 1 LC also, and we are making ROP. A new platform will be constructed. Then we are planning even the doubling of some of the section of the Goa area. The only problem which I foresee, the land acquisition. We will try to develop the plan for doubling as much as possible without acquisition of the land. But somewhere it may require that we may have to acquire land, and that depends on the local people as well as the Goa government whether we will be obliged to get that or not. Otherwise, those portions will remain single line. See, last 3 years we made the profit. This year we made a loss. This year, why we made a loss? What we have done, the ACD Skybus projects we have written off. So that one-time hit we have taken as a loss, and we have cleaned our balance sheet.
State government is gearing up to tighten the noose around beauty parlors indulging in flesh trade. Owners of the beauty parlors have to furnish all the details of non-Goan girls employed in their salons to the local police station. District Magistrate of South Goa has made it applicable with immediate effect.
District Magistrate of South Goa has issued an order directing all the beauty parlors employing girls from outside the state to submit all details regarding their identity with local police station. District Magistrate has also ordered in case of fresh recruitment to furnish details of girls such as their name, age, address of native place, present local address, their photograph and a valid identity proof with the nearest police station before employing them. This decision has been taken to curb the illegal flesh trade on pretext of running beauty parlors. North Goa district is expected to soon follow the suit. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Kalangut police have arrested a couple, Nagaraj Shetty and Vijay Lakshmi Shetty, involved in a theft case at Saligaon. 1,500 British pounds and 10 Australian pounds have been recovered from them along with 2 cameras. Police suspect their involvement in some other theft cases too. Time now for a short break. Stay tuned.